One of 11.
Oh my God.
He's not the youngest. He's not old.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube, Dad.